the spindle is going through several stages, and I will walk you through the stages. Go from, this is another process. The first temperature will go to 1070 to 1071 degrees. This is the raw material. It's going in, acid going inside. So I want to show you the process. It started from here. And then that will go through that process. Go to the next stage, bending. So this is how we started. Then we go to the next stage. After that, we go to another stage. Then we'll go to another one. Go to the final stage here, and this is what we have, the spindle for the bolt spindle. So the process starts from multiple phase. It starts from multiple station, all these to come to the final one, and the final product here.